elap election. Ka Neigrihms kala Pynkynriah no ya katarik ban penlong ya ka examine jong ka nursing officers recruitment na ka Bynta ki nong kun na Neigrihms ki bamla banele namar bakimla ban poi banele ya ka exam ha ka arterik uno pra ha Guwahati namar ka jinglong jingman ka sukkasan. UMLA ka seng BJP uba ALH ulong bo ulara ai kini ka mat banya keren bat menteri rang ba ka Assam bat i director ka Neigrihms bat hadin kini lapen mi kini ka jingpen bana menta kasngi. Hinre ke examine kan ya bet kumbalapan bet.
After we got the problem that grievances facing by the student, so we took up immediately and spoke to the Honorable CM of Assam, and we told that the center is going to be held at Guwahati, which is very difficult for our student coming from Shillong because of the prevailing situations. So definitely after we have appealed to the Honorable of CM, Shri Himanta Biswaji, he immediately took a decision and told the DC of Kamrup immediately to stop all the exam of Neigrihms to be held at Guwahati for the student of Neigrihms.